Hi guys, this is your smart trader and your Forex trainer and mentor. And so before siqale ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge kubona bonke abantu abasubscribeile ku-channel yami, and if you are a new subscriber ngiyabonga, and more ukuthi le channel le video le iyona oyibonile is your first video. And so if ufuna ukwazi more about Forex, ngiqale from ekuqaleni explaining ukuthi what is Forex, yabo, and nje understanding ukuthi ku Forex kwenzakalani. Okay, ngakhohlwa compliments for the new year kuona wonke umuntu. I hope ukuthi ama goals siwabhalile phansi, and sizokwenza sure ukuthi unyaka uzothi uphela at least sobe si achievile one or two of our goals. So as you all know ukuthi ke we are in a recession. So recession. So unemployment is very high. So angeke kube inkinga nabo enkulu if uzama nje ukuthi u-add another stream of income ngoba ngempela kushubile. And so okay, basically i-chart enginalo la is USD JPY. Okay, this is your USD JPY and it's my weekly time frame, which means ikhandlela elilodwa li-createka every week. Okay, so mubuka la, as I explained on my previous videos ukuthi every time a trend line is broken, okay, every time a trend line is broken, okay, okay, see white. Okay, so every time a trend line is broken, a level of demand or supply is created. So in this case, a level of demand is created. Okay, this is my level of demand. Okay, every time a trend line is broken, a level is created. So here's my level. So I'm going to this one to be my level. Okay, so this is my level of demand. Okay, as nani nibona ukuthi every time you price hits this level, okay, every time a price hits this level, it reacts. Pardon me, it reacts. Okay, so here reactor. So yabona nala same thing happened. Fika kule level le yenza njani i-react. Okay, so which means ama buyers maningi we level of demand. Okay, so on my weekly sengi identifyile a level of demand. Okay, going forward. Okay, so nala niyabona ukuthi okay angasayi kude kakhulu. So let me go forward. So kodwa ke going backwards, nala uyabona ukuthi every time a trend line is broken, a level is created. So la we have a level of supply. Okay, so this is my level of supply. Winnie, pardon me, on my weekly. Okay, so we can cover konke lokhu as a level of supply. Okay, so these are our two zones on our weekly time frame. Okay, so into edala ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi nginenzele lento le step by step, angifuni ufika sengidwebile yabo, ngifuna we understand the thought process behind. Okay, so this is my high, low, high. Okay, trend line is broken, so a level is created. So njengoba nibona nje ukuthi la nje bakhona level, rally base drop, retest. Okay, so these are my two levels on my weekly. Okay, so enye into la engifuna nibuke la ukuthi i-price kumele izifike la, ngiyabo, twice in a row, ukuthi yafika la ya reactor, yafika la ya react. So into efanele ulinde wena, efanele ulinde ukuthi at least ifike la. level yakho of demand, and then you can start looking for buying USD JPY. Okay, this is my weekly. Okay, let me go to my daily. Okay, my daily chart. Okay, so this is my daily chart. So ikhandlela li-create every 1 day. So uyabona nala. Okay, trend line broken, level of supply. Okay, this is my level of supply. Buwa nje exam nanjani, yeah, yathinta la and it dropped. Okay, moving forward. Okay, I understand ukuthi abantu abaningi la are looking to go long. Okay, babheke ukuthi baye long maybe to this point. Okay, or even further. Okay, so ngendlela yami, okay, mina ibuka lento le lower low, funa nje siye step by step. Lower high. Okay, lower low, lower high. I hope nisakhumbula. Okay, lower low. Okay, this I can take as a lower high. Okay, and after a lower high is a lower low. Okay, so ngaba a lower low ezozifikela. Okay, yeah, ingaba a lower low ezofikela, but okay, ngoba thina we are supply and demand traders, kodwa kuyasiza ukuthi understand ini direction. Okay, ukuthi we are going to the downside. Okay, njoba usihamba to the downside, buy, we will only focus ku buy masifika la, masifika kwini weekly demand. Okay, ngoba futhi enye into efanele uyibuke la, look at the trend line. Trend line yethu last 2 values. Look at the trend line. Okay, bheka a trend line. So why ngithi bheka a trend line? Okay, this is a bad area to look for longs if you are looking for a long. So kodwa this is a good area if you are looking to short the market. Okay, let's go to my 4 hours corner. Sizoyibona kahle price action. Okay, yani a smaller time frame. What I say with daily. Okay, on my daily, bheka la, uyabona ukuthi every time i-price yami ifika la kuba khona some sort of reaction. Okay, sort of reaction to the downside. Kodwa ke indlela engibuka ngayo i-USD JPY izonyuka ifake bonke laba abafuna ukuya long, and then after inyukile it will drop. So wena as a smart trader, okay, wena as a smart trader uzobe umela. Wena as a smart trader uzobe umla. Okay, smart trader sizoma la, silinde ini ukuthi sisele i-market. Okay, bear in mind ukuthi i-market yethu mesiyisela up to this point. Okay, ngoba le point leli is a level of demand. Okay, and EA respects a trend line, but we are not trend line traders. Okay, so going forward Monday, wait, ulinde market ukuthi ifake labantu abafuna ukuya. Okay, izofaka abantu bethu abafuna ukuya long. Okay, ngoba as sibheka le abantu abaningi are looking at this as a level of demand. Kodwa ke lo uzoba a level of demand only if a remover this area of supply. Kodwa ke moyibuka from Monday kusasa, you can look for your shorts la. So bear in mind guys ukuthi ama weekly outlook wami azoba a bit longer ngoba ngifuna understand the thought process yami behind ama trades. Okay, so yeah, 4 hours uyayilinda. Okay, uyayilinda ukuthi inyuke la, and then masila usuyabona ukuthi ukwi level of supply, ulinde ini to sell the market. Okay, moving forward, I hope you understand. Kodwa guys, if kukhona la eningaboni khona, ningakhululeka nisebenzise i-comment section. Okay, and comment ningibuze imibuzo enifuna ukungibuza yona. Okay, so la phambi kwami, let me go to my weekly. I have USD ZAR. So it's the US dollar compared to ZAR, South African rand. Okay, so I'm gonna be a bit faster manje. Okay, so uyayibona nje nawe i-area. Okay, let me go to my monthly. Pardon. Angithi uyayibona nje nawe i-area. Okay, so voila, this was my highest high. Okay, and this highest high was broken by this level of demand. Okay, by this level of demand. Okay, this is a monthly level of demand. Okay, so uyayibona ukuthi iyaqala react. Okay, yeah, let's go to our weekly. Okay, mofika kwi weekly you can okay, since manje. Okay, come on. Okay, bear with me guys. Okay, weekly. Okay, more safuna ukurefine i-entry yakho. Kodwa ke okwamanje I wouldn't advise ukuthi uvele ubuy la ngoba nala uyabona ukuthi if we refine our zone. Okay, if we refine our zone, yeah, ushintsha umbala. Let me go with like blue. Okay, ushintsha umbala. Let me go blue. Okay, go for blue. Okay, blue awusebenzi. Let's go for yellow. Okay, yellow. Okay, yellow creates lombala. So you can wait. Kodwa ke bear in mind ukuthi this area is a buying area. Okay, you can't be selling on a level of demand. So ave kubalekile ukuthi you plan the trade and trade the plan. It's very important to plan the trade and trade the plan. Ave kubalekile. Okay, so into engak-advise yona is this. So jonga la, bheka la, this was my last area of supply, and this area of supply was removed by this area of demand. As ukhumbula timing your entries, I hope niyakumbula timing your entries. Okay, so alana you can wait for a retest going to this level of demand and look for your longs. Okay, ngoba this is a buying area. Got to bear in mind ukuthi it can drop and react la and go up. Ngoba lower low, lower high, lower low, and this can be a lower high and then a lower low before iqala ke going up. Ngoda kona I wouldn't take a sell. Into engizoyenza la ukuthi nje ulinde for a confirmation. Okay, so ngoba manje into engafuni uyenze, angifuni ubuy la, yabo, ngoba buying here is a bit risky. Okay, ngoba imarket can drop, and I'm sure akekho umuntu othanda ukuthi abe kwi-drop ya 701 pips. Okay, kodwa ke as a smart trader uyazi wena ukuthi kumele ulinde la. Okay, kumele ulinde la khona uzothola a better entry, okay, with a higher reward. Okay, so uyayibona ukuthi according to structure, okay, according to our structure, okay, according to our structure, okay, ngifuna ubone kahle weekly, according to our structure, according to our structure, USD-ZAR is rising. Okay, USD-ZAR is rising according to our structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and then so create a higher low la, then mese kuba a higher high. So yeah, USD-ZAR, you wait for your longs la ngalinda na la and la. Kodwa for a better risk to reward is better ukuthi ulinde kula, ulinde ku like 14 rand. Okay, pardon me, ulinde to like 14 rand, and then you can start looking for your longs. Kodwa okwamanje is you wait. Abekubalekile to plan the trade and trade the plan, ungawarush ama trades. Okay, let me go to our gold, XAU USD. Okay, this is my gold. Okay, if ubuka gold la, go to a monthly, siyaphinda futhi, this was my highest high, all-time high, and this high was removed by this rally, base rally. So this is your rally, base rally. This is my base. Okay, this is my base. Shintshe lo mbala lo, sibuyele kulo white salmon. So totally okay, nangu, or light salmon. Okay, nangu. So this is a monthly level of demand. Bear in mind ukuthi lana ikhandlela liyakheka every 1 month. So wabonje la 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3, pardon me, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Bekunya wonke le move le. Okay, so asikho lapho. So this is a level of demand on our monthly time frame, and uyabona ukuthi our gold is rising. Okay, so uyabona la ukuthi this is a level of demand. Okay, so let's go to our daily. Like monthly, this is our level of demand. Let's go to our daily. So I'm going to be a bit faster. So okay, so I'm going to bola, this was a very price level figure sell. So this was a very critical zone. So this was your level of supply. Nakhumbula kwama video engangwenza, this is your rally based drop. Rector kamnandi. So okwamanje for gold, okay, gold into engenzeka la kwi gold ngoba vele abantu abaningi are looking to sell gold, ingabuya ize la ithathe abantu abafuna ukuya long and then it sells. Okay, so into ongayenza wena is look, okay, uzoyibona indlela lokuchazela ngayo mnandi nje lento le uthi nje idinga patience. Okay, uyabona la ukuthi this was a level of demand kwini kwama smaller time frame. So into ongayilinda is ulinda ukuthi this i-removeke. If this is removed la ku create a level of supply, and so you wait for a retest. Okay, wait for a retest and sell to la, and then masifika la uzobe usulindile ini ukuthi uyithenge. Kodwa ke to be honest kuwena, pardon me, khona uzothola into ene risk to reward right, usu late, bezoba umnandi kuba uthatha usella. Okay, uyazi ukuthi ukuba uthatha usella, uyazi ukuthi uzoyiholda izifike la, and then masifika la you start looking for buying. Okay, you start looking for buying the market, start looking to buy the market. Okay, so yeah, so according to gold, gold, wait for gold to retest. Okay, you must wait for gold to retest this level of demand, and then you can look for buy entries. Okay, buy entries. So nje trend line izoya izobe sekuyi risk to reward emnandi kabi ngoba we have a trend line confirmation and a zone confirmation. Okay, ngoba nani niyazi ukuthi gold is always rising, kodwa ke ayaba khona ama pullbacks. So for gold, yeah, you can look for your sells. Okay, you can look for your sells ngoba nje okunye nje okungenzeka is gold can rise, retest again kule level of supply, and then drop, and then iqaleke inyuka. So ingawo ngithi when i-price isiphakathi nendawo akukho advisable ukuthi uplace ama trades, ngoba yabo nje la kule point le I wouldn't advise umuntu ukuthi aplace i-trade la, ngoba imarket asiyilawuli, siyayilandela. Okay, so yeah, so into ongayenza la is uyilinde nje, akuhluphi, noma ngabe kuthiwa ikushiyile entry, it's fine, uzobuye uwathola amanye awapheli. Okay, so kodwa la kwamanje umuntu ongenile la, this is a 1330 pip move. So yeah, if kade uyithathela phezulu uzoyidedela la, it's at 2671 pips. So yeah, a risk to reward emnandi le. Okay, so we did USD JPY, USD ZAR, Euro GBP, awasikayenzi senza gold. So ngifuna ukugcina ngalawa GBP, so let me do Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, this is your monthly. So okay, this is your monthly, and so yeah, uyabona la trend line removed, level of supply created. Lula nje, kalula nje, kodwa phela akuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ukwazi ukuyibona ngalendlela. So and nala we have a level of demand endala le esebenzile ukuze iprice inyuke la. So looking at a chart, this is a great indawo emnandi to look for yourselves up to this point. Yeah, indawo emnandi to look for selling the market. Okay, and mnandi looking for to sell the market. Kodwa bear in mind ukuthi lana sisawi consolidation. Kodwa looking at support, no, pardon me, looking at supply and demand, this is a great area to sell. Let's go to my weekly. Ngisabo isiqalile siya react. Okay, kodwa ke into engizothanda ukuthi uyilinde is this. Ngithi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi we spoke about ukuthi mawufika kwi zone into efana uyibheke is for an entry. So the market enters the zone. Okay, I see here this was my entry. Okay, pardon me, and this was my response. Okay, this is a response. Okay, okusho ukuthi imarket iya responda to the zone. So lana into ongayilinda, I wouldn't advise ukuthi umuntu asele as it is. So I would advise ukuthi umuntu alinde for a retest, Okay, njengoba ubona nawe la ukuthi there is a zone la. Okay, siyenze ibe yellow khona izoba blue. So uyabona la ukuthi there's a zone. So a rally based drop bese ulinda a retest bese siyayisela to the downside. Okay, so patience ave ibalekile. Okay, patience is a virtue. So yeah, patience is a virtue. So yeah, so this is your information: rally based drop, retest, and then you sell the market. Okay, injalo nje. So ungayiboni ngoba isiselile uyitshela ukuthi ngasala kwe-move. Yeah, ama-moves angeke uze uwathole wonke, khona ozowashweba. So kodwa nje engikutshela kona njengamanje is you wait for a retest to this level of supply and then you sell the market. Okay, injalo nje ayijiki. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. Let's go to our monthly time frame. Uyabona ukuthi level was removed, trend line was removed, and this is your level of supply. Okay, this is your level of supply. So kodwa ke partner sonto so review la maphela sibheke ukuthi enze njani. Okay, bese siyawa discuss once again. So lana, okay, weekly level of supply, no, pardon me, monthly level of supply, weekly level of supply. Okay, weekly level of supply. You can refine your supply. Okay, uyenze ibe ile. You can refine your supply. So according to GBP USD usafe ukuthi uyilinde ifike la phezulu, and then mase ufika la phezulu you can start looking to sell the market. Okay, go to my daily. Yeah, so I know ukuthi abantu abaningi are looking to go short, angiphiki ingafika idrop. Okay, and then ifike i-react la. Abantu kunento engicela bayi understand. Okay, yabo la ngithi nayebo le engathi pinkish. Okay, ukuthi i zone enkulu. Okay, so le zone le is about i-range yayo 680 pips. Okay, so musa ukuthi masifika la, pardon me, wena ufune ukuya short immediately ifika la, ayithi mayifika la uyibone ukuthi i-reacta kanjani kuleyo zone before deciding on taking an entry. Okay, and enye into engicela niyenze ningathi nibona abanye besela mhlambe i-GBP USD and bese nawe uyafuna ukuyigxumela uyisele, ngoba into eyinkinga awubazi ukuthi basebenzisa siphi i-strategy and ba trade kanjani. Mhlambe bayi trade daily support and resistance or ba ma day traders. So wena as a supply and demand trader awuvele nje ungene ubheka ama zones are right. So in this case imarket ingafika la, drop la, and then bese iya riser. Okay, when it rises mhlambe may riser ifuna ukuyotesta the level of supply and then it drops. Okay, kodwa enye into ngoba lena it's a huge it's a huge area of supply, imarket inga drop la and then it increases before it drop. So advice engakunika yona, plan the trade and trade the plan. So with GBP USD I would advise you to do nothing. Yazi wona kunzima, is do nothing until izifike la, ngoba thina we are smart traders. Okay, thina we are smart traders, asikagameli. And into efana yazi market I move on a straight line or in a straight line. Nabo imove in ngama values, lower low, lower high, low, kanjalo kanjalo. Okay, so ama pair asele ekumele siwabheke awu2. Okay, let's look at euro GBP. Okay, euro GBP. Okay, so with euro GBP, this is a very strong, okay, this is a strong level of demand. Got to bear in mind ukuthi it's on a weekly time frame. Okay, on a weekly time frame, and nala you have area of demand. Okay, so lo angeza la, and then masela, and then you can look for buy entries. Okay, kodwa angisho ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanjalo. Let's go to my daily. Okay, emothatha ukubheka kwi daily, angithi uyabona kwi daily ukuthi sine reaction. So this is a very important level of demand. Okay, so lana into ongayenza is you wait for a reaction. Okay, wait for a reaction on your. Okay, so lana into ozoyilinda ngoba vele sesikwi level of demand. This was my entry, and so okay, this was my entry. Some say 1 hour. Okay, so this was my entry into the zone. Okay, entry into the zone. Definitely is a response. A response, bear in mind ukuthi fane remove a area of, okay, fane remove a area, fane remove the area of demand, of supply, pardon me, before ubheka a retest. Okay, ubheka a retest. Okay, and then you can look for your long. Okay, yeah, you can look for longs la. So yeah, as a smart trader, you're looking for ama longs akho la. Okay, so ngale ndlela kade ngikutshengisa ukuthi how to refine your entries. Okay, enye into la, this is a level of supply. So i-target yakho, yeah, ngeza la, and then bese ubheka ke ukuthi i-reacta kanjani la. So and lana sine level of supply, hidden level of supply. So ingafika ijike la uyiqhubeka la. So masifika la, never ever assume ukuthi, pardon me, never assume ukuthi a level will be broken. Ngoba nala, this is a level of demand. Angithi uyabona ukuthi ijike kodwa kuba ukuthi sidweba kahle, befana sidweba la. Angithi uyabona ukuthi i-retestile encane, it kissed it, and then it sold. So never ever assume. Into efana uyenze, you must trade zone to zone and hold. So lana, I will be holding this. Okay, I will be holding this. I'll be holding. So yeah, angifuni ukuthi spend more time. So lana, look for your buy entries. Okay, akusho ukuthi smart trader masisithe look for your buy entries nawe angeke usawalinda ama confirmations, ngoba lento le isangadropa ize la. Okay, market akusiya kini, siyayilandela, isangadropa ize la, and then i-rise. So yeah, kodwa my bias, I'm biased to the upside at this point. Okay, biased to the upside. Okay, let me go to my last pair, GBP JPY. or let me go to my weekly. So uyabona le ukuthi this is a very strong level of supply. Okay, this is a very strong level of supply. So yeah, this is a very strong level of supply, but it's removed this. So yeah, so lana siyaqala isizama ukureact. Okay, so omunye uzothi ngine zone la, which is 100%, ngoba okay, trend line was removed by this level of supply. 100%. This can drop la, okay, or higher. So gugwen, okay, gugwen, you can take your cells la, kodwa ke bear in mind ukuthi fanele ulinde ukuthi a level of demand i-remove. A level of demand must be removed, and then ubheke retest, and then you can sell. Okay, injalo nje. And ungakhohlwa ukuthi yabo into engicela ni understand kwi market, never think ukuthi angeke ize higher, and never think ukuthi angeke ize iye lower. So ngawo ngithi kumele ubheke i-reaction ukuthi i-reacta kanjani kuleyo zone before u decide ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha i-entry. Okay, so yeah, njoba ngiphinde ngisasho ukuthi plan the trade and trade the plan. So guys, i-video yami was a bit longer, is ibe u-37 minutes. So yeah, kodwa more ukuthi uyafuna ukwazi ukutrade, this is a great channel to understand Forex. I'm your Smart Trader SA. Ave kubalekile. If ufuna ukwazi Forex, this is your channel. The channel le njoba ngiphinde ngisho akusiye yami. Okay, akusiye yami, eyenu. The channel le eyenu. Okay, so ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge kubona bonke abantu ababukelile, and phinde ngibonge kuma subscribers zami, and please guys continue to subscribe bese nishaya ibell ye notification. And so yeah, and ngicela please share ilentuza i-YouTube channel kumuntu omaziyo ukuthi ufuna ukufunda uForex. Smart Trader SA signing out.